If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The QuickZoom feature in QuickBooks Online either opens a new report that shows transactions for a summary report line, or opens the transaction referred to by non-summary report lines. This lets you zoom in on report lines to trace from where they derived their data. To use QuickZoom, click any report line that appears as a hyperlink, which changes color and appears underlined when you hover over it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.